Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to use the integrated humidifier with the Vivo ventilator. First, you need to turn the ventilator with the backside towards you. Right below the air outlet, you will find the removable air bypass unit. Push the locking mechanism down and take the air bypass unit out of the ventilator. Before you install the humidifier, always check that the water level is not above the maximum level, and if the humidifier is closed in a tight way. Slide the humidifier into the ventilator with the metallic bar first. Push until you hear a firm click. The humidifier is now ready for use. If the humidifier was previously not active, you will have to activate it. To do so, you put the ventilator in standby mode by pressing the on-off button. Now you see the different menus displayed on the bottom of the screen. The second button from the left is the setup menu and allows to set the level of humidification. Press the setup button 3 times. Use the arrow down button to highlight humidifier. Turn the humidifier on with the right arrow key. Now the humidifier level will show up. Push the arrow down once more and set the humidifier level to the appropriate setting with the left and right arrow. The humidifier is now activated as shown by the icon you see on the top of the screen. The next time you turn the ventilator on, it will automatically start with the last settings. We hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use our Vivo bi-level ventilators, please visit our website